Hello everyone. In today's video we will learn how to transfer Solana from Binance Exchange to Phantom Wallet. So first of all, open the Phantom Wallet. After that, enter your password. Then an interface like this will show in front of you. First you need to click on receive. After that you can see many addresses, so you need to copy the Solana address by clicking here. So after clicking here and copying the Solana address, I exit from here and open Binance Exchange. After opening Binance Exchange, you have to click on asset. After clicking on asset, you have to click on send. After clicking on send, after that an interface like this will be shown in front of you. So here you have to search for Solana. So in front of you either Sol or Solana will appear and you have to click on it. After that you have to click on send by crypto network again. And the address that you copied for Solana from the Phantom wallet, you will have to paste that address here. After pasting here, the Solana network may come automatically. And if it does not appear, then click here and select Solana. After that, the amount of Sol you want to transfer, that amount here, after that euro, you will need to click on withdraw. Here you can see withdraw, you need to click on it. An OTP will come to the email linked with Binance. Enter that OTP and confirm it. Your transfer will successfully happen from Binance Exchange to the Phantom wallet. This way, you can transfer Solana from Binance Exchange to the Phantom.